monstrosity is all one big group. So we're just going to figure out what exactly it looks like under there, because obviously there's all those different plants coming out the top, and with this good old Utah clay, it's being rather stubborn, but looks like they've all fused together. Now, none of this stuff was planted here. We didn't plant any of this. It all just came up. I don't know exactly why it came up, but it did. So there's one. There's a pretty good size one. Here's a big one. There we go. So here's a little guy. And then another little one. And then this one's the big one here. Tease all that dirt out. Oh, and here's another one. Little guy. Oh, look right here. You see that? Huh. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't. That looks like a clove of garlic. Like it. I wonder if this was what was planted, or. Lovely. I don't know. There's a little bug on there. But that's very interesting. That was what was in the middle. There's another one. And so, out of that one little, once again, didn't plant it all. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 medium ones, 3 babies, 2 larger ones. So pretty good little haul there, especially, I don't know, I wonder if that was the seed thing.
Awesome.
Yeah.